Hi everyone, today let's see how to draw this beautiful girl. First I am giving an outline with the mechanical pencil. This will help in drawing sharp features. First I am drawing the eye. For the surrounding skin I used a B pencil and then blended with a brush. For the darkest part of eye like the eyeball, eyelashes and the corners I have used outline 12B pencil. For the lighter areas like the sclera of the eye, I have used kneaded eraser to give the highlight. Drawing the eyelashes with the mechanical pencil. Below the lower eyelid and the corner of the eye, I have used kneaded eraser. Highlighting in these areas will give a realistic look. Also in the eyeball at the center, we need to highlight either with a kneaded eraser or a mono zero eraser. This is the light reflecting area in the eye. Without this highlight, the eye is incomplete. Now we have finished both the eyes. Moving to the nose, I am using B pencil for the base layer and the next red pencil in the darker layers. She is having a nose stud and for that I will use dark pencil as the rounded background. On that I will give a small dot as highlight either with a gel pen or a mono zero eraser. To give highlight on the nose, we have to start from the tip of the nose and that should be the maximum highlight area. From there we have to go to the bridge of the nose. Then the highlight will be blended with the skin. I have completed the forehead skin starting from the base layer B to 3B 5B. The remaining part of the face also I will carry on with the same method. Now I am drawing the lips base layer with B, then next 3B and 5B. As the lips are darker than the skin, I am going up to 9B layer. Now I am trying to finish off the skin in layers by layers as I told you before. To give the details, I am using mechanical pencil for the fine lines. In the lower lip, we have to draw the fine vertical lines. Those should be in the curve of the lip. While giving highlights, it should be given in these vertical lines only. To give the illusion of lip plumpiness, we need to highlight horizontally at the center of the lip, but it should not be well demarcated. It should be blending at the surroundings, upper and lower, along with the sides of the lip. Now I am drawing the outline of the scarf she is wearing. I am directly filling it with 12B pencil. This is because I need a dark layer and I can't go from B to 3B and 5B and continue it. But even this one layer will never be sufficient. So we have to add multiple layers on it. Then only we can get the depth of the drawing. With the same 12B pencil, I am drawing a pattern texture on the scarf. At some shadowy areas, there alone I am skipping the texture and drawing it in a dark way. After drawing the pattern with the dark pencil, now I am taking a mono eraser and then highlighting the areas in between the patterned texture. So you are able to get the woolly texture in this drawing. For the larger or blurry areas, I have used kneaded eraser for the highlight. Now we got the texture we required. I am drawing hair with the 12B pencil. I am drawing the strokes of the hair also. Then I am blending it. I am finishing the background and then again coming back to the hair. Now I am using a mechanical pencil to draw the strokes of the hair. Always there should be some extra strands of hair falling over the face or in the air. That will only give the realistic appearance of the hair. I am using 12B pencil again for drawing the hair strands and the darker or shadowy parts of the hair. I am giving some finishing touches in the face, adjusting the darkness and the lightness. And for the highlights of the skin, I am using kneaded eraser. Nose I have already given, so now I gave for the chin and the border of the upper lip and then the cheeks and the forehead. For giving highlights in the hair, it's very easy. In the same method how we drew the hair strokes with the pencil, we have to draw with the mono eraser and draw some extra strands also. That's it. The highlights are done. The drawing is finished. I hope you liked my drawing. Thank you for watching.